it has been a hot minute since I've posted really a lot of pictures or vlogs or blogs or anything like that. And honestly, as a few of you may know, I have had a crazy month. So I've had a lot of questions about what I've been doing, why I haven't been posting anything, etc, etc. So I thought I would just quickly talk about my last month, all the shit that's been going on, and then hopefully from here things are going to be, you know, good. I'm doing a lot of traveling in the near future, so there's going to be a lot more cool vlogs to watch. But first, what have I been doing in the last month? Cue montage.
And you took them all? Yeah, man. Yeah.
Hi! I don't agree with it, but like, I think if you said something, I don't agree with it.
My shit.
In a club. I'm getting on this. What are you doing? You can't.
Yeah, so not to say I haven't been having any fun the last month, because I definitely have had a lot of fun. Yeah. But it's been, yeah, just a very stressful last month for me. So a few things have happened. I'm applying to grad school, and in the end, out of the 7 universities that I was looking at, I could technically only apply to 1, just because the professors that I needed that fit my field of interest weren't accepting applications this month, or this year. So that was great. I had to write my GRE. That is just like a grad school examination entrance thing. I totally forgot about it until like maybe like a month and a half before. At that point, all of the slots in Ho Chi Minh City were full. So I had to fly to Bangkok, get someone to cover my day of classes, condense 3 months of studying into a very short period of time. What else? Oh yeah, my shitty landlord. So my old place, if you guys remember, where I had shown before, honestly I wasn't like super happy there, but whatever. But the landlord was such a piece of shit. Oh my god. Like, my light broke, my bathroom light broke after 2 weeks of me living there. It never got fixed. Like, I asked and asked and asked. He came by or sent someone to fix it once. It fixed, and then after 2 days it stopped working again. In Vietnam, you are required to register yourself with the police. If you stay in like a hotel or a hostel, they do that for you. But in a private residence, your landlord goes to the police and does it for you. So he like takes our passports, fucks off for like 3 weeks, cool, and comes back, never gives us a letter. Completely forgot about it. And then there was just like a bunch of miscommunication between a number of parties that I'm not going to get into regarding visa and things like that. So I never got this letter that was required to extend my visa, therefore it expired. Therefore I had to pay a huge fine. I told my landlord I was moving out. I gave him required notice. He refused to give me back my deposit, so I lost a lot of money, which I can't even talk about. Like, it's so frustrating. Like, he's such a dick, but whatever, that's all been resolved, you know, work stuff and just kind of settling into, I've been here for 3 months now, so just settling into normal life. It's just been a little hard, but I'm in a new place now, and that was kind of an issue in itself, getting that all sorted out. There's a whole thing about guests, like, so in Vietnam, you literally can't have anyone that doesn't live there stay at your house, apparently. It's the law, and you have to register them with the police. So I had a guest over a few weeks ago, and somehow the police knew about it. And so when my landlord, or my new landlord, went to go complete my registration, they were getting mad at her because there was someone living there that shouldn't be, or I don't know. So then I got in trouble for my landlord, and it's just this whole thing. So that was just the gist of it. But I definitely, you know, cried a lot this month. But it's fine, right? Like, what are you gonna do? This is a new experience. You live, you learn. Now it's Christmas break. I have quite a bit of time off, so I'm planning some trips, which I'm really excited for. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to catch everyone up on what's been going on, because I've been getting so many messages of asking me how things are. Oh my god, you must be having so much fun. And yeah, I'm having fun, but I've been having a very stressful time as well. But yeah, so that's kind of where I am now. Everything is gonna be fine, and yeah, so I just wanted to, like I said, catch everyone up. I literally can't talk right now. I feel like an idiot.